Cooling stabilizes the shape and prevents cracking.
Welcome to a modern glass marble factory, where craftsmanship meets technology.
Raw materials arrive at the factory, ready for production.
Careful unloading maintains material quality and safety.
Our journey begins with raw materials essential for glass production. Materials are stored systematically for batch preparation. Quality inspection ensures only the best materials enter production.
The factory's exterior shows the scale of modern marble production.
Strict access control ensures safety and organization. Inside, raw materials are transformed into marbles with precision. Mixing creates a consistent batch for melting. The blended batch moves toward high-temperature melting. The molten journey begins as glass moves into the furnace. High heat melts raw materials into molten glass ready for forming. Molten glass flows smoothly into shaping machinery for initial forming. Molten glass flows smoothly for initial shaping into marbles. Rollers begin forming the glass into near-perfect spheres. Cooling stabilizes the shape and prevents cracking. Cooling solidifies shape and prevents cracks. Automated patterning adds first vibrant colors.
Automated patterning adds the first colors to each marble.
Operators maintain pattern consistency across batches. Cooling preserves intricate patterns while stabilizing the glass. Cooling stabilizes patterns and prevents warping. Engraving adds identification codes without affecting appearance.
Engraving adds traceable identification without affecting appearance.
Blending enhances depth and vibrancy of colors. Refinement wields perfect spherical shapes. Human inspection ensures flawless quality. Polishing lines give a glossy finish to the marbles. Optical sorting ensures color consistency in every batch.
Color sorting ensures visual consistency.
Automation moves trays efficiently for finishing. Final polishing ensures perfect clarity. AI scanners detect defects invisible to the eye. Human oversight completes the quality assurance process. Quality control labs ensure marbles meet industry standards. Hardness tests guarantee durability for long-lasting use. Color accuracy is verified with precision instruments. Durability testing ensures marbles withstand typical use. Random sampling guarantees batch-wide quality.
All results are recorded for traceability and accountability. Approved marbles move to packaging for safe delivery.
Each marble is handled gently to prevent damage.
Sealing machines secure cartons for transport.
Robotic palletizing ensures neat, stable stacks. Pallets are carefully moved to the dispatch area.
Pallets are loaded efficiently for delivery.
Trucks transport finished marbles to markets nationwide. Core processing transforms raw glass into rough marble spheres. Rollers shape molten glass into near-perfect spheres. Cooling stabilizes shape and prevents cracking. Automated patterning adds vibrant swirls to each marble. Operators ensure patterns are consistent and accurate. Cooling preserves patterns and stabilizes glass.
High-tech automation increases efficiency and precision.
Robotic arms handle marbles with precise, consistent movements. Sensors ensure accurate sorting by color and size. Automated polishing ensures consistent surface shine. Robotic inspection catches defects undetectable by the human eye. Laser engraving adds identification codes efficiently. Blending enhances visual depth and vibrancy. Refinement wheels perfect each marble's spherical shape. Manual inspection ensures flawless quality.
Polishing gives each marble a perfect glossy finish.
Final polishing gives each marble a perfect glossy finish.
AI scanners ensure only perfect marbles proceed. Optical sorting ensures color consistency. Final polishing ensures flawless clarity and shine. AI scanners detect defects invisible to the human eye. Human oversight completes quality assurance. Approved marbles move to packaging for safe delivery. Pallets are carefully moved to the dispatch area.
Trucks transport finished marbles to markets nationwide.
Packaging prepares marbles for safe transport to distributors. Each marble is carefully placed to prevent damage.
Sealing machines secure cartons for safe shipping.
Robotic palletizing creates organized, stable stacks.
Shrink wrapping ensures protection during transport.
Finished products are stored efficiently, ready for dispatch.
Pallets are carefully moved to the dispatch area.
Each pallet is loaded with precision for safe delivery. Trucks transport finished marbles to distributors nationwide. Efficient transport ensures timely delivery to markets. Marbles arrive safely and are prepared for distribution.
Warehouses store products efficiently until delivery.
Each marble reflects careful craftsmanship and quality control.
Pallets are prepared efficiently for shipping.
Careful loading protects marbles during transit.
Products are transported to retailers and customers. From raw materials to finished product, the factory operates seamlessly.
Every pallet represents meticulous production and quality control.
Skilled workers ensure safe and efficient handling. Trucks are loaded and ready for market distribution. And this is how modern factories produce glass marbles from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.